Want to reach hundreds or even thousands of customers instantly? This video breaks down how to master bulk messaging with Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account, then head over to the contacts section here. You can either upload a CSV file containing your contact list or manually add contacts one by one. Make sure all your contacts have opted in to receive messages from you. This is crucial for avoiding spam complaints. Next, navigate to the campaigns section, click on Create Campaign and give your campaign a descriptive name. This will help you track its performance later. Then, select Bulk Campaign as the campaign type. Now, it's time to craft your message. Aisensy allows for personalization, so use features like adding the contact's name to make your message more engaging. Keep your message concise, clear, and include a compelling call to action. Avoid using all caps or excessive exclamation points, as this can trigger spam filters. Before sending, double-check your target audience. You can segment your contacts based on various criteria to ensure your message reaches the right people. You can also schedule your campaign to be sent at a specific time. Sending messages during peak hours can significantly improve engagement. Finally, review your campaign summary. Double-check your message preview, the number of recipients, and your sending schedule. Once you're satisfied, click Send. Aisensy will then distribute your message to all selected contacts. After sending, monitor your campaign performance in the analytics section. This will give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your future campaigns. Remember to always adhere to best practices for bulk messaging to maximize engagement and avoid being flagged as spam. Now you are ready to start bulk messaging with Aisensy.